Teddy party barking.
I know. Grandpa's in the house and watching wrestling, so.
Why did you want to watch Saturday? I know he was supposed to make the pizza.
Yeah, I think he really did. OMG.
Oh, my dad over there.
Oh, Cyril? Took over Trying to get in the video?
Mm-hmm.
Look how big it is. It goes like all the way. Sitting right there enjoying his life. He's having a great time. I think I'm an Huh?
Today's Black Monday.
The view's great over here, I swear.
Are you guys going to come up? Maybe this is better. Put on the back up. Back up.
Back up a little bit. Like, all the way. Like,
Holy crap.
Like, oh yeah. Like, all the way back in there. I don't want to be this close.
Shit.
Bernie.
Where's PJ?
They're right there. They're right there. As they should be. I don't know why they're
It was crazy. I know. What about the game that we were going to play?
Don't wear But I'm gonna put light on the inside of it so we can and then we'll be good to go. And then I'll put some.
The fun don't end.
I wanna sit down, but
You want to go back and get the
I don't think I should sit down. I might just sit down.
My airdrop about to explode.
Really?
Yes. My airdrop about to explode.
I bet.
I can feel the vibration.
Girl.
In my eardrum.
Oh. It's like an earthquake.
Yeah.
Oh my god! Wow. I can see the light.
Yeah, smoke. I see the smoke.
I see this.
The black smoke. Oh my god.
Ever go to Disney World? They do
Next
fireworks.
year. Next year.
Potentially.
Yeah, next year we're going to Florida, and we might go to a cruise. But I think we're gonna do one in because we're gonna go to Disney World because you know that new place.
What place?
That new park that they built.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so that's what Grandma Nani's doing.
I want to go on a Disney cruise.
Disney cruise is like this.
Yeah.
Jasmine, I want to go on a Disney cruise. I can put my earwax stick in my ear. I can put my earwax.
Oh my god.
I can put my earwax stick in my ear.
Oh my god, I guess so.
Yeah.
This is good for it if you have water in your ears.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then what you call it, dancing?
Oh my god. Do you remember last time me and you and Maya and Jayla?
Yeah. Andrew.
Who's Jayla?
Our cousin. Maya's cousin, which is like our cousin.
Where were y'all at?
We were here, but it was hot. It wasn't like how it is now. It was super hot last year. It was like humid.
Yeah, it was hot.
It was alright.
It was humid. It was humid.
Yeah, it was.
We got the DJ last year.
This year is so much better.
Yeah.
Weather-wise and music-wise.
We got the DJ.
So much better.
Yeah, Shauna.
Yes, DJ Shawnee won.
He should totally do it.
We should do a DJ in real life. Get some lessons and learn how to. And then he can have a microphone and be like,
I just asked him, he said, my brother competing against me. So you got to
He didn't get paid a lot of money. Because that could be his job. He gets paid.
Are you doing it again?
What's
Yeah.
do DJs get a lot of money?
yeah, you know, I'm trying to think of the DJ right now. You know Paris Hilton? She's a DJ. You know, I don't know the DJ.
They get paid a lot of money.
35.
We got an intermission.
It's kind of like your car, Jasmine.
No, this is a new song.
And you say you're the Honda Elantra.
Here it comes. Here it comes.
Another fire.
Why is it going down so much? Look.
It's going down. I think I found it.
Look, it's going down a lot.
Oh my God!
Look at him. Look, it's going down.
You want one?
Yeah.
Right over here. I'm gonna again.
Okay.
I want to sit next to her.
Girl, that's too bad. Why don't you sit in the front or on the side?
Jasmine.
Or just sit right here.
Jasmine,
Let's
Jasmine, I can
something.
put
Can
my...
I sit right there?
Jasmine,
You sit next to your mom. Girl, you got here last.
Jasmine, I can put my ear right to get my ear.
Or you can sit right here. Look, it's the same thing. I'm
Jasmine,
basically right
hey,
here.
Jasmine.
There
Jasmine.
you go.
Hey,
Why are you in
Jasmine.
front of her?
She just thinks she's short.
Hey, Jasmine, I can put the ear right to my... to my ear.
Congratulations. A chair, girl. We thugging it out. We on the floor.
Fine. I'm gonna go over there.
All right. See you later, girl.
Bye, Felicia. Bye, Felicia.
It's a little pet.
That's nasty.
That's literally just a pet.
Y'all see me over there?
Yeah. So you dance.
Oh, oh.
Look this one.
We are the dancers.
What's the other one? What's the other one?
Another one. Come on, Legend, we gotta go dance and show the audience. They don't do Maniac. What? Y'all don't know the
Yeah, but I'm gonna do it again.
Joanne.
Just asking her. No, he was asking me, please don't. Can't tell me what to do. I'm just saying.
Pond the river.
I'm not going.
You're welcome, Jasmine.
Wait, where's Shani Wani? He must be still DJing.
Ow, nobody.
Yeah, huh?
Hey.
DJ, Summer, Autumn.
I'm running home.
Wait, what's that?
Look, I'm allowed.
Wow.
It's not the wall. It's fireworks.
Pond the river.
Oh, airplane coming through. He gonna be shot in the air, bro. The airplane, you done.
Where do you see snow cones, Jim?
Huh?
Remember you see snow cones?
Yeah. Remember you see
We
snow
did snow
cones?
that few days.
Yeah. You guys have snow cones at Zodiac? Pondy River. Here it goes.
Imagine that was a gender.
9 out of 10.
Imagine that was a gender.
Whoa, that was
Jasmine, that's not the jump over.
that one was big. Whoa. That one. Wow. I'm trying to enjoy the nature of the world.
Jasmine,
Huh?
I still feel the earwax vibrating in my ear. I still feel the earwax vibrating in my ear. The earwax vibrating in my ear. Yes.
Stop jumping over people like it.
Never should get to know
I'm gonna enjoy nature.
Never should get to know you.
Huh? Nah, I'm okay. You're supposed to be going.
Break your drink, Jasmine.
Huh?
We are.
Because I was drinking it. And then I drank it. And now I'm gonna bring it back home. Because I don't want to litter on my beautiful earth.
Don't do it.
And move. And nothing's happening right now. And you still want to record?
Yeah.
Record?
I
wear my other shirt.
I feel like barefoot.
Aren't you, don't you have to go to work?
Tomorrow, Saturday.
Wait, what's today?
Friday. I don't go to work till Monday. I don't go back until Monday.
Are you okay, Grandma? Dang, that was so loud.
Said, Ma.
That scared me. I had to put my-
Ma.
Are you okay?
Why you was like this? That was crazy. That one was loud.
Jerry, I can put the earwax.
That one was loud.
Jerry,
Okay, I heard you.
That was loud.
Excuse me.
That one was loud.
That was super loud.
That one was very loud.
What's that there friendly here, Jasmine?
Huh?
What's that friendly here?
Got my neck cut off.
We just.
Huh?
What's that friendly here?
It scared her so bad she had to go home.
Exactly like her ears away. She's like,
She was like, oh no.
it better not
Maybe
go.
she went to go get pet.
Just.
Huh?
What's that friendly in Maryland?
So loud.
That was loud. Patrick, that was loud.
That was so loud.
He's so calm and chill. He said, yeah. They about to put something in there. You see?
I see Doobie Jones.
I know.
I see Doobie Jones.
I know. I'm scared. I'm scared.
I can't see.
It didn't start yet. Look, there goes another one. There goes another one. I wonder what color y'all get. Guess what color? Green. I was right. Oh my gosh. Hold on, let's try to guess what color it's gonna be.
Yeah, that's cereal.
Alright, what color do you think that's gonna be?
I think
Purple?
it's gonna be red.
Purple?
You think it's gonna be purple?
Yeah.
I think it's gonna be blue.
Purple, pink, blue,
Yeah, just like mine.
yellow, orange.
Alright, so I got my bet pink, purple, blue. Alright, let's see what
Maybe
color.
orange.
Hey, you guys see the video on that?
Maybe orange.
Yeah, maybe orange.
Maybe orange? Alright.
Yeah, maybe orange.
Let's see. Look at Cyril. Look at your dad.
That's my brother.
You know he gotta be in the crib.
You know you gotta be with his friends.
His people.
His people.
Look, there's a den right
Okay,
here.
no. I think she's down there with Legend.
What do you want to choose?
Oh.
Yeah, I'm working barefoot.
No, don't want grip, that makes it better.
Oh.
If you don't want to, just let your foot lay on it like this. Where's your other one? That way you don't hurt them. Cross your legs. That way you don't hurt your ankles.
Okay.
In the morning? What you say you uh-oh. Purple!
Oh, it's a
Green.
Blue. Come on, give me blue one.
red. I said red.
Give me a blue one. Is that technically blue? Ooh. Wow.
It's giving all the colors. Me and Autumn and
It's giving all the colors y'all said and I didn't say.
You already got them.
Yeah, you should. It's a ring. Oh my gosh.
You got the bananas, Devin?
Yeah, Grandpa just bought some.
Oh yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Got some what?
Banana. Couple of bananas.
Devin, you know what you do? You know what you do? Make banana bread.
Maybe.
You like banana bread, Devin?
Sometimes.
Sometimes.
Yeah, sometimes. Wow. We just forgot that was in our backyard.
Wait, what is it?
Santa Claus.
You got enough pizza dough, Devin?
What did you call it?
Oh, that's what last name. No. That's her last name. We almost died.
Devin, are you doing it again?
Oh, that smells like sewage.
That's my sewage. It's my butt crack.
Way worse. It smells like a 7-Eleven bathroom.
Yeah.
It smells like a 7-Eleven bathroom.
I don't know. I'm gonna try it with my godfather.
Congratulations.
He's on the car.
You wanna go back and get a chair?
Yeah, I've done before. By the time I go back and get a chair, come back, let's look at it.
All the
other games I tolerate because y'all like them. Like Dress to Impress and all that. I'll play it. Audrianna, why'd you throw that upstairs? That's somebody's car. And that was just trash on the ground. This spot, he's out. Nothing. It's because our grandpa has been food. Not Grandpa George. Grandpa Thomas.
Grandpa Tony.
Yeah. No. Her and my aunt have been food.
I've been.
Stop the count.
See, only one though.
Come this way. This way. I guess you can smell that hard.
No, look.
Okay.
What about this?
I guess I guess I can kind of see it.
What?
If I squint.
Not the way.
I guess I can kind of see it. Wait, why are you on the ground? Oh, he's battling Legend. Not him clapping. Not him clapping. He had one arm.